Introducing our advanced truck loader conveyor, designed for seamless loading and unloading with minimal effort. Our high-quality caster wheels move the conveyor around effortlessly, making repositioning quick and hassle-free. Loading different truck sizes? No problem. Hydraulic boom effortlessly adjusts to match the truck's height for efficient loading and unloading. High-quality conveyor belt ensures smooth operation and long-term durability for high-volume logistics. Smart sensor technology counts every package in real time, displaying accurate data on a built-in screen. Boost efficiency, reduce manual effort, and optimize your logistics with our truck loader conveyor. Inquire now for a smarter loading solution.